This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, visited the Gulf Educational Supplies and Solutions exhibition on Wednesday at Dubai's World Trade Center. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed toured the pavilions, where he was briefed on the latest educational technology and smart learning programs, featured by over 40 companies and government institutions from around the world. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed was accompanied by the Minister for Cabinet Affairs, Mohammed bin Abdullah Al Ghargawi, the Minister of Education, Hussein bin Ibrahim Al Hamadi, the Dubai Director of Protocol and Hospitality, Khalifa Saeed Suleiman, and Mohammed Juma Al Nabouda. The UAE's embassy over in Ethiopia, in cooperation and in coordination with the Emirates Red Crescent Authority, has accomplished the first phase of the UAE Sukia campaign by drilling 10 wells, providing drinking water for over 120,000 underprivileged people. On the occasion, Dr. Yusuf Isa Hassan Al Sabri, the UAE ambassador to the Republic of Ethiopia and the permanent representative to the African Union, noted the importance of the campaign and its role in promoting and supporting the country's diplomacy, and also showing the kindness and generosity of the UAE's rulers and people, especially since the campaign will include drilling 60 wells in different parts of Ethiopia to provide clean drinking water for about 500,000 underprivileged people in total. The UAE Sukia campaign was launched by the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and is to be implemented by digging wells and distributing water pumps and purification equipment in water-scarce regions. 16 charging stations for hybrid and electric vehicles have been launched in Dubai, and the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority unveiled a solar-powered charging station at its headquarters this week. His Excellency Saeed Al Taya, the Managing Director and CEO of DEWA, was also announced that by the end of this year, there will be 100 EV charging stations based on demand in malls, airports, government offices and near residential communities. According to reports, a full recharge is expected to take around 2 to 4 hours. And in phase 2, fast charging stations will be added at petrol stations, taking just 30 minutes. He was quoted as saying that this is the start of DEWA implementing a pioneering electric vehicle charging station infrastructure initiative, and it is an important step towards achieving the objectives of a sustainable smart city and transforming Dubai into the smartest city in the world. According to the State of Charge report updated in 2014 by the Union of Concerned Scientists, an electric vehicle driver could use 23,091 fewer litres of petrol during the life of the vehicle compared to the current average compact petrol car. The second Arab Pediatric Medical Congress that was inaugurated today addressed issues concerning child welfare and paediatric care. In the opening keynote speech today, Deputy Director of Dubai Medical District, Dr. Abdulaziz Abdullah Al Zaruni, highlighted the efforts of the Ministry of Health to meet the rising demand of healthcare services and improving the quality of childcare in the country. Addressing a number of delegates during the event, Dr. Al Zaruni pointed out that the welfare and health of children is paramount to the Ministry of Health, and by expanding healthcare facilities and providing access to medication for patients, all issues concerning childcare can be resolved. The Minister of Health also emphasised the importance of medical research, increasing awareness about diseases, and the training of paediatricians in order to improve the care of children. The first day of the 3-day event featured a number of presentations focused on the most pressing topics in surgery and transplantation, public health and paediatrics, and nutrition, to name just a few. Talking about the Medical Congress, doctors and delegates attending the event stated that there are a number of issues that will need to be discussed, resolved and clarified. But overall, they are trying to create a joined-up picture regarding issues concerning child welfare across the UAE.
This is the second event after a very successful first event, and I think there's no doubt when you bring people of good caliber and quality from all over the world to come and discuss in various fora, be it workshops, be it seminars, then that information can be shared and is for the benefit of all. And there's no doubt when you have such a multicultural and diverse place such as the United Arab Emirates that all those opinions are very valid and can really help progress our medical care in general. I don't think we can say thank you enough to the Ministry of Health. I think when we have the ministry, we know we therefore have a more unified an opinion and something that is going to affect the UAE in general. So their advice, their contribution and their enthusiasm is actually vital for the progression of what we drive forward as healthcare professionals. And so yes, a big thank you to the ministry. It's really going to help us.
3 communities near schools are to get new parking grounds as per a 5-year implementation plan announced by the Road and Transport Authority. According to reports, the RTA officials said that they have constructed parking provisions for schools that have completed construction and during the construction of the roads projects in various communities. Engineer Maitha bin Uday, the CEO of the Traffic and Roads Agency at the RTA, said that the following communities will be included in the 5-year implementation plan: Al Kawanij 2, Oud Al Matina 2 and Nad Al Shiba 4. He added that the main aim of the RTA is safety, and we try as much as possible to mitigate the negative complaints of parking difficulties near schools, especially in peak hours. However, the fine of double parking in marked areas is 200 dirhams, and the fine for parking on footpaths in parking-controlled areas is also 200 dirhams. The Pink Caravan is planning to establish a UAE National Cancer Registry, as well as the improvement of examination standards at government and private medical institutions. Unveiling the details of the 5th annual Pink Caravan ride to promote community awareness of the importance of early detection of breast cancer and dispelling misconceptions related to the disease, Amira bin Karam, the president of the Board of Trustees, stated that the Pink Caravan has managed to spread considerable awareness. Bin Karam pointed out that the Pink Caravan has succeeded over the past year in offering early detection breast cancer screenings to nearly 29,000 women and men of all nationalities and ages from all over the UAE. The Pink Caravan provides intensive support and treatment for 30 patients with breast cancer annually at a total cost of 7.5 million dirhams. It was able to expand the FOCP voluntary team to include over 300 people, institutions and companies at present. This year's ride, which will take place from the 16th to the 25th of March, coincides with the 5th anniversary of the Pink Caravan. And finally, looking to other news now, the Meridian Dubai Hotel and Conference Centre celebrated years of culinary fate, extraordinary meals and interactive experiences across their 18 distinctly styled restaurants by launching Secrets of Gourmet Cuisine. The move reveals secrets of thoughtfully crafted meals, unfolding the adventure of cooking for those with a culinary passion. Much more than just a cookbook, Secrets of Gourmet Cuisine has been personally designed by executive chef Pediatric and his expert team of chefs at Le Meridian Dubai Hotel and Conference Centre, revealing the secrets of thoughtfully crafted meals and unfolding the adventure of cooking to make sure that every gourmet food enthusiast enjoys their own personal dining experience.
This is something we are thinking since a long time, since we have 18 restaurants and we have a diversity of chefs and diversity of culture around the hotel. And we have been asked several times about several recipes, and then we decided to select some of best recipes and to unveil all the secrets of the Meridian Dubai. Cuisine, all about cooking, is about passion, is about love. Once you have that in your heart, everything comes automatically. There is no real secret. As long as you use the right ingredients and you have some techniques. After that, passion and love do the rest.
Le Meridian Dubai boasts 18 restaurants. We are finally having this great evening, this gala evening, launching the Secrets of Gourmet Cuisine. 18 different restaurants for different cuisines: Italian, Thai, Japanese, Chinese. This book, you have recipes that people can actually cook. What's happening tonight? We got all live cooking stations, up to more than 20 live cooking stations, each restaurant boasting of what they have. And we've invited a lot of our guests, and I hope we're going to have a good time.